Hello, seventh grade. Welcome back. It's January 6th, 2021. That 21 takes the weight of the world off my shoulders. I hope you all had a wonderful vacation and are ready to learn. Remember, we only have 2 weeks before the end of the quarter, which also ends the semester. So please do your very, very best to keep up. This week's videos will be fairly short. The lessons will just keep moving, so stick with me. So for this lesson, we're going to be generating a class vocabulary list. So the in-person students have already selected their favorite word, and we'll be choosing a class list probably by Friday. So make sure that you follow the directions on the video, and so that your word can be included in a class list. Unlike past years, when we have a class vocabulary list, it's not something that I hand out on Mondays and give you a quiz on Friday. It will take us numerous weeks of different types of fun vocabulary activities to figure out how to use these words in context, how to build these words into our personal vocabularies, because that's the key. It's not enough to learn how to spell a word and say a word, but the words that we're going to be learning are words that you're really going to need to incorporate into your everyday language. So the next slide, we'll talk about how to choose your favorite word. To select the word that you want to share for our class list, step 1, open up your Google Drive account. Step 2, once you've opened up your Google Drive account, your app, in the search bar for your drive, type in vocabulary notebook template. Once you do that, all of the vocabulary notebook assignments that you have handed in will show up in a list. You'll see the little red PDF box followed by edited-vocabulary notebook template.pdf. And you should have at least 8, because we have done 8 vocabulary words this year. So you're going to take a few minutes and you're going to look at the vocabulary words that you've turned in, and then you want to turn in your favorite. Once you've looked through your 8 vocabulary words and you've found your favorite one, then what I want you to do is create an email message to me, rrich@sadfor.org, and I want you to send me your favorite word. I want you to send the actual word itself. Please make sure you spell it correctly. And then I want the dictionary definition and the part of speech. So in this case, this student sent in the word exasperated. It means greatly annoyed, and it can be used as a verb or an adjective. So send me that email with those parts in it, the word, the dictionary definition, and the part of speech, and your word will be included in our class list. Please have this done by Friday, January 8th, because if you don't, your word will not be included. And we're going to play some fun games, do a lot of fun different activities using words, so just make sure that your word is included in the list that we all study together. So this is a quick one. Just find your favorite word and send it along to me in an email by Friday.